Hello friends, if you want your birds to raise strong, healthy chicks, if you're tired of chicks dying inside the egg or passing away just a few days after hatching, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step guide to cleansing your birds before pairing them. This is the secret that professional finch and exotic bird breeders use but rarely share. So stay with me until the end of the video, because I'm going to teach you the exact techniques that make all the difference. Step 1. Bathing. The first step is very simple, but often overlooked. Give your bird a proper bath. Whether you just keep your finch as a pet or plan to pair it for breeding, it must bathe. Bathing helps remove external parasites like mites, dandruff, and lice. Add about 10 drops of apple cider vinegar or half a teaspoon of starch into the bath water. Apple cider vinegar has disinfecting properties that help clean the feathers. Let your bird play and enjoy the bath. It refreshes them and makes feathers shiny. Step 2. Treating external parasites, mites and lice. Now let's deal with those tiny enemies, mites and lice. These suck the bird's blood, especially from chicks, making them weak or even killing them. The best solution here is using Exalt. Mix 0.5 to 1 milliliter of Exalt into 1 liter of water and place it in the drinker. Let the bird consume it, then repeat the process 1 week later. Do this every 6 months for long-term protection. If you want full details on using Exalt, I already made a separate video. I'll leave the link in the description and on the screen right now. Step 3. Internal cleansing, gut health and parasites. Sometimes a bird looks healthy on the outside, but inside it's full of bacteria and parasites. If untreated, eggs won't hatch or chicks will be born weak. For this, you can use antibiotics such as Tylosin, Trico Plus, or a combination like Trivet plus metronidazole. Follow dosage instructions carefully or consult your vet. Give these medications in the drinker for 5 consecutive days. Step 4. Restoring good bacteria with probiotics. Since antibiotics kill both bad and good bacteria, the gut needs recovery. After the 5-day antibiotic course, give probiotics for 3 consecutive days. This restores digestion and keeps your bird healthy. Step 5. Detox days. On days 9 and 10, after antibiotics plus probiotics, give only clean water or herbal extracts like chicory, alfalfa, or milk thistle. These strengthen the immune system and calm the bird. Step 6. Liver cleansing. A weak or fatty liver affects egg fertility and chick health. Use a liver support, such as liver support specific for birds, for 3 consecutive days according to instructions. This removes toxins and improves liver function. Step 7. Vitamins and minerals. After liver cleansing, give your birds multivitamins for 2 days, then minerals on the 3rd day. This prepares the body for breeding with strong immunity. And that's it. With this complete cleansing program, your finches will be at their healthiest and ready for pairing. Remember, the health of the chicks begins right now, before pairing even starts. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it in your bird-keeping groups, and comment below to tell me what method do you use for cleansing your birds before breeding. I reply to every question in the comments. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care of your birds, and may your nests always be full of checks.